Right now we are in Meru, right in front of Solid Horizon, where this company converts shipping containers into living quarters for you and I. Let's go take a look.
Hello.
All right,
How are you?
I'm very good. I'm very good
okay,
right now to take a look and tour this place with you.
Yes,
so can you introduce yourself to the audience first?
Okay, hi. My name is James Yeo. I'm the managing director of Solid Horizons. So Solid Horizon is basically a company that's already been in the industry for past 30 years. So we've been doing a lot of portable cabin, and recently for the past few years we start to go into really a permanent solution. Okay, using modular construction. So our mission is, of course, to be able to create a sustainable living. This is a key thing what our company is going to create.
Can you explain a little bit about the term modulars?
Okay, so modular construction is basically for us to build many modules and we combine those together, it becomes a proper house, a bigger house.
Is it okay if we take a look on your production to see how it's being made and stuff like that?
Prior to that, maybe you can take a look here. So you can see this side, we have plenty of shipping containers. They are all, of course, to me, is part of the commodity. We will know that this is a commodity. Why? The price actually goes up and down. So the beautiful things about shipping container is that you can always reuse it again and again. Okay, so this is a cabin.
Yep.
So you can see very clearly that cabins and container looks different. So it's a very thin sheet of a metal deck externally. While a shipping container, they consist of this 3 mm thick mild steel plate.
So we are looking at this one. Is this considered cabin also?
Okay, this is a heavy duties. Okay, so what the heavy duty cabin is that we are using a mild steel plate to looks like a container, but it's much thinner. This mild steel plate is actually 0.7 mm per thickness. Okay, while a container plate is actually 3 mm. Yeah, so this is a difference. You can see over here how we are fabricating the heavy duty cabin. Okay, so you can see these are the plate before we undercoat it. Okay, after you undercoat it becomes the green color. So this is a steel plate, it's very thin. Okay, so all these are corrugated already, and these are the steel. So they're going to use 3 sides, then one more side come over here.
I see.
Okay, there are one more side, then this becomes a whole unit by itself.
So this one got no wood connector, it's just metal welding together.
All metal welding together.
But here's one question. This one is more towards sustainability one. When you reuse a shipping container, you actually reusing the resources. But what if you build this? Doesn't it go against sustainability from your understanding?
The market actually do not aware of this. It needs people like us to constantly go to tell them, stop using all this, start converting a shipping container to become your office or your quarters or your commercial areas. By building a new one, we're actually pulling more resources.
Correct.
To take from the steel, and then you need to build from scratch. And after you build from scratch, how long this thing can stand? Maybe for 5 years, we're going to dispose this. It becomes a disposal cost because of you need to go to melt the steel, throw the steel, dispose the steel, and so on.
You cannot resell this unit one, right?
You can resell, but the resale price will become lower and lower, just like a used car.
If you want a sustainable way, you go for shipping container, reuse it and refurbish it.
Yes. We also very emphasize in terms of the social responsibilities because of the workers. Okay, but there are still many plantation, construction, factory. They still squeeze the workers. This cabin inside supposed to only can fit 6 person, but they can put until 8, 10 or 12.
6 person is already quite packed. How do they pack 10 person, 20 person? Can we take a look on the inside the space? How big?
Can.
Wow, 6 person.
Okay, so imagine this, we're going to put 3 double bed. So each double bed will have 2, 2, 2. So that's how the 6 person works. But if you want to put 10, you put 5 double bed. So they don't care. Make sure that you comply to the Act 446 that is recently an issue in Malaysia because people are giving out saman due to this. So in terms of social responsibility, this is what, again, we should educate them. Sometimes they just don't believe that they need to buy this or provide this welfare to the workers. But I always tell them one thing, if you treat your worker well, I believe your workers will treat your product well too.
Anything else you want to say to the viewers out there before we conclude this video?
Modular construction is the things that I believe they will move forwards.
So thank you so much, James, for your time.
Thanks for your time.
So whoever liked this video, remember to share, like and subscribe to this channel. We'll bring you to see more construction technology in the future. This is Engimedia. We'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye.